Hi, we're Immobiliser Fit. Today I've installed a Halo Mini immobiliser on this hybrid Cayenne Turbo S. So the thief's got this key. They've broken into your house, they've done a relay attack, they've gone to steal the vehicle. It starts up, as you can see it's in hybrid, but just for the video we'll make it start up in petrol. So you can see, they go to drive off by selecting a gear, the car's going to cut out. As you can see it's switched off. So for the customer to drive it, they can either pair their phone up or they can go through a push sequence. So the way they do that is start the vehicle up. With their phone in their pocket, they can just hear the melody and drive away. Without that, they'll pop their code in. For the video, we've left it simple at 1, 2, 3. Receive our melody, we can drive the vehicle. As you can see, it's gone into gear. Doesn't stall out. If the customer wants to change the code, they can set between 3 and 21 presses, and the way they do that is ignition on, disarm the system with either their code or their phone, then press any button 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, cycle the ignition off and back on, we'll get 5 bleeps. Now we'll pop our code in, so we'll just go 4 presses, we'll get a confirmation. And now we'll do that again. Get the same confirmation, that's the code changed. There we go. So now the next time the customer comes into the vehicle, they'll start it up, go through their new push sequence, hear their melody and start. So we'll fire it up. Vehicle's running. If you were to select a gear now, car's going to cut out. As you can see, turn it off. So they'll get in, start it up, go through their new code, hear their melody, and they can drive the vehicle. This is the Halo Mini. Give us a call on 0208 212 7393 if you want to get one of these installed. Thanks for watching.